In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 amazing tips to help you grow your YouTube channel as a small YouTuber in 2021.
These tips are not to be taken seriously. This is a funny video spooking all the bad YouTube advice that exists today. Participating in any of these tips will not grow your YouTube channel and can get your channel terminated. If you try these tips and your YouTube channel is terminated, do not blame me because I told you so.
Alright, like I said, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel in 2021, and do not leave. You need to stay to the very end so you know what all 5 of those YouTube tips are to grow your channel in 2021. But before I give you tip number 1 out of the 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel, I need you to scroll down underneath this video and smash that red subscribe button. You can even click the bell and you're going to hit all because I want you to get all of my videos because that's going to help me out. And then make sure you can like this too. Oh, and don't forget to comment as well. I know we haven't gotten into the video, but you need to comment because again, it helps me out. Alright, now that you've helped me out, I want tip number 1 to do exactly what I just did. Forget about giving people value. The first thing you need to do is have every single call to action known to mankind. If you don't know what a call to action is, it's things like smash that red subscribe button, and you need to say that soon or you're never gonna get subscribers. And I know, again, you haven't provided any value. Viewers aren't looking for value, they're looking for you to tell me what to do. So make sure you tell them to hit that red subscribe button like 7 times between the beginning and the first 30 seconds. Tip number 2 is to be random. People don't search for things on YouTube to get exactly what they wanted to search for. So for example, if I search for a morning routine, I don't want to know tips to be more productive in the morning. I want to know about what you did yesterday. That helps me out. So here's a good example. This is my dog Cora. It has nothing to do with growing your YouTube channel, but it's all about the cuteness, huh? What are you doing? She is an Australian cattle dog. She thinks she's a puppy and she throws fits like a toddler. But again, has nothing to do with growing your channel, but it's random. And that's my son sleeping. That's how I get YouTube videos done. But again, this won't help you out, and that's not what this is about. You want to provide randomness throughout your video so people will enjoy it and watch more randomness instead of providing any type of value, because that's how you keep them watching. They don't know what to expect next. Alright, if harassing people to smash that red subscribe button isn't helping you, or putting random footage into a video that makes no sense with what you're talking about, I don't know why that's not going to help you, then you need to move on to step number 3, and that's sub for sub. That's honestly the only way to grow your channel in 2021. If you don't know what sub for sub is, you are definitely missing out. See, these smaller YouTubers got super smart with how to grow your channel, and they figured there is a lot of us on the YouTube platform, so instead of providing value and making sure we're applying proper SEO to our videos so people can find our videos, why don't we all just subscribe to each other's channel, because then we'll have a lot of subscribers. I mean, we're probably not gonna watch your videos, but that's not what matters. It's all about the subscribers. And don't worry, it's super easy to find these people. I mean, yes, they use code words because it's against YouTube's terms of service. So what you do is you type in support into the YouTube search bar, and you're gonna see a ton of videos that say small YouTuber support. It's a really good community. And then you click on any video and you look for things like, hey, who just started their YouTube channel in 2021? And that's your code word for subscribe to my channel and I'll subscribe to yours. But don't worry, you may see people unsubscribe, but it's definitely not them. I mean, how horrible would that be if you subscribe to their channel just so they could subscribe to yours for 5 minutes and unsubscribe just to blow up their channel numbers and inflate them? They wouldn't do that. People who are unsubscribing are probably those people who found you organically through search, suggested, or even browse, because you know, they can't be trusted. Okay, so tip number 4 is all about the long intros. You want people to not know exactly what your video is about until about 3 minutes in. That's the sweet spot. So the longer the intro, the better. And you can combine this with tip number 2, which is just to provide random things, even if it doesn't go with your title, and then spend 60 seconds telling them to smash that red subscribe button, to like your video, and to comment down below, even though you haven't gotten to any tips in your video. And after all of this, if you're still not getting subscribers, spam everybody. I mean, yes, they tell you to focus on one person and a target audience, but who wants 1 subscriber? I'm trying to hit 1 million subscribers. So to do this, you're gonna hit up all of your friends and family, even those people in high school that you haven't talked to in years, and let them know you started a YouTube channel. It's okay if they're not interested. Just tell them to subscribe, because we know from tip number 1, that's all we need to gain subscribers. Once you've gone through your list of contacts, you're gonna move on to people you don't know. And these are just as easy to find as tip number 3 when you're looking for sub account. You're gonna go onto every social media platform, slide into their DMs, and do something short and sweet, kind of like, hey, I'm a YouTuber, I just posted a video, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, when you send me that link to your channel, make sure to have the auto subscribe at the very end, so this way when the person clicks on your link, because that's what they're gonna do, they're definitely not gonna block you, it's gonna prompt them to automatically subscribe to your channel, and then bam, you'll have 1 million in no time. But let me know in the comments down below, after you smash that red subscribe button, which of your tips is your favorite to use? Mine definitely has to be the spam. I mean, I love some good spam. But for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, just watch this video again, and I'll see you later. Bye!